So I'm glad you're here with us at Gulfood Manufacturing. We know that the bag-in-box has been around for the best part of 3/4 of a century. So other than aseptic capabilities which came on stream in the 40s, what else is pioneering or cutting edge now? What's the latest, do you think?
Yeah, I think the key is that it's a total system, right? So it's the film, fitment, and equipment. And I think really where the opportunity has come is we've developed a lot of different, in the fitment segment, the connector systems that connect with different equipment, but also on the retail side where you can dispense easily in that process.
Sure.
On the film, really it's about getting the film to be the most robust, but also recycle ready. And then the equipment, there's always new technologies with servos and other things. We've really made advancements there so that you got the complete system for bag-in-the-box solutions.
You talk about the film. Obviously, we're trying to promote with the recyclability, and we have our Rec Shield coming on stream.
Yep.
Do you see a future state where we'll be talking about maybe plant-based films like orange peel, these type of weird ideas for bags?
I think that's, the end result is to get to the next level, right? But, again, you're holding liquid, so a lot of that stuff doesn't hold up against moisture. Really, the focus for us right now is going to the recycled content, right? Because we got to complete the seam. If we're going to recycle the bag, we got to take the material and put it back into it. And that's really continuing to up the percentage that we can get into that. And a lot of legislations around the world are going to require that, and we're staying ahead of that by developing those next phases of the complete cycle of recycling.
Sure. So what we've got behind us on the stand is our rather nice SIG robot coffee maker.
Yep.
Obviously it's got our 10-litre bags inside that are powering the system. So since COVID, we've seen a huge explosion with quick service restaurants, HoReCa. What do you think is like the key for that success like you've had in America?
Yeah, so the key that you see going on is that the younger demographic wants specific drinks, right? And the younger demographics visit a QSR maybe twice a day, so they're getting their different drinks. And how do you support that? Well, there's a couple challenges there because probably even though you have a barista and you go to the same one every time, the drink is always different. So what Smart Dispensing does is to qualify that and make sure that drink is exactly the way you want it ordered. With bag-in-the-box system, that really ties into the security of the product, easy changeover, less waste, no chance of contamination because it's a closed system, and being able to have 10 or more different mixtures within that same machine. So really a great opportunity there for companies to expand, and we'll see more and more of that as we go along with the smart dispensers. And the bag-in-the-box packaging solution is really where that ties in together.
Sure. So in Gulfood Manufacturing, we're surrounded by different companies. A few of our competition are here. What would you say is, will keep us ahead of the game? We've got a lot of competition, especially on bag-in-box. What really do you think sort of differentiates us?
Yeah, I think you go back to start at the roots, right? We were the ones who invented bag-in-the-box 70 years ago, but there's really two things. It's really the technology we bring, and I spoke about fitment, filler, and film.
Solution,
So that total solution with that expertise, but also we bring a global presence that we've done just about every different application. So again, if your partnership with SIG, really bring that knowledge and throughput, and we can get you up running quickly, fast, get you in the market successfully. And I think really that's the differential from those that have not all that experience and not all the products that we bring to the table.
Excellent. Okay, I think that's pretty much it from my side. If you've got anything, Middle East and Africa.
Thank you very much for having me. I'm enjoying learning about the region and the opportunities here. And again, I think that with our presence in the region and our strength within SIG, we can provide quick and solutions that'll be successful to help companies grow.
Excellent. So Glenn, just to sort of finish off, we get asked all the time for put different products in the bags, in our bags. obviously in America it's huge business. What's the most obscure thing you've been asked to fill into our bags?
Well, it's not only asked, but we do it every day, is bull semen, actually. And they extract the semen, put it in a bag, and then freeze it. And that's really part of our business model that works.
Glenn, all I can say is that is utterly disgusting.
Well, yeah, maybe we could use it for racehorses here in the
Yeah.
Saturday, you know?
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
All right.